Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RGSE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. Think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And not to state the obvious, but pretty rough day here today. Although from the technical perspective, the price managed to hold right at a very important level, and that is the pink line here, which on my chart denotes the 200 period moving average. Even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period, and you know that when the price is up above it, you want to see it hold as support. So that is definitely, like I said, a good sign that the price was able to at least finally stabilize right around this area of the chart. So on that note, going forward, 26 cents, definitely a very important level that you want to see continue to hold, because in the event the price breaks down below 26 cents, or worse yet, continues to separate to the downside, that would be, putting that in an area and a situation where the price is now broken down below that very important, level of support. And like I said, you don't have to take my word for it. Ask anybody that uses charts, is the 200 period moving average, is that an important area? And everybody's going to say, yeah. I mean, like I said, you can call it a self-fulfilling prophecy. You can call it whatever you want, but it is a very important level. As far as where the next level of support would be in the event the price continues to pull back, that is going to be down there at the 24-cent mark, where if you go back through the history of things, you can see 24 cents acted as support. So quite a track record there. But as of now, the price is doing a good job of, like I said, holding up above that 200 period moving average. Now, in the event this is some sort of bottoming formation here and the price starts to work its way back upwards, let's talk about a couple potential areas of resistance. Initial area of resistance going to be right here at the 27-cent mark, which is actually essentially right where it's finding some congestion right now, and you can see that was a former area of support. If 27 cents can be broken, then the next key level after that, right up there at the 30-cent mark. So 27 and then 30, two of the near-term levels of resistance going into tomorrow. But yeah, no doubt about it, pretty rough day. Like I said, the price did stabilize, so that's good right around the 200 period. So we'll see if the bulls can try to stabilize things out and then put together some sort of bounce. Not necessarily on Wednesday, but at some point this week. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, pretty rough day. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.